In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to create best presentation slides with AI in Manus. Whether you are preparing for class project, a business pitch, lecture slides, or a YouTube presentation, here I will show you how to generate clean, beautiful, and high-quality slides in minutes in Manus. Now to create it, first open your browser. Here I'm going to use Chrome here. Now here, type on the search bar here. Use this link https:/manus.im/app. You can see here. Now send it. Now first make sure you have signed in into the Manus website. You can see here, or you have downloaded the application into your smartphone. Now here, to create the best presentation here, what you do now here is to click on here. You can see create slide here, and here click on this create slide. But first make sure you put it on desktop mode. If you are using smartphone like this, you can see here I'm in desktop mode. You can see here desktop site. You see now here, make sure you put it in desktop. Now here, what to do now is to click on this create slides here. Now you have selected the slide feature. Now here, use this prompt here and add a topic you want it to create for you like this. Here you can also see sample prompt you can use. You can see here, but here is the prompt you will use. Now here, type the prompt like this. Let me type it and then explain. Now here is what I type in order to guide you to create best presentation slide. Here you can see create a slide explaining how to develop marketing strategy. Here you can see the background. Here you can see how I describe the background. Here you can see use white background. You can see here. Now here, what you do now is to send it by clicking this up arrow icon here and then wait for it. This might take 1 minute depending on the topic. As you can see, it is generating the presentation slides here. Now as you can see, it has generated the presentation. Now to check the presentation slide, what you do now is to click on here to check it. Now here you can see it. You can also zoom it like this to see it more. You see. Now here also you can check each one like this. And also you can also edit each text by tapping on it like this and then write anything you want to write. You can see here, you can write anything you want to write and then zoom it back. You can also remove the image or replace it by clicking on it like this. You can see, you can copy it, you can change it, you can resize it. You can see, you can edit it here. You can see also you can edit it. Now here also, see, you can see here even the topic. You can also edit the topic. You can see here. Now also you can also download it by clicking this downloading icon, or you can share it by clicking this share icon on top side here. Here you can see, you can click on share here and share the link, or you can click on download here and download it to anyone. You can see here, you can download it as PTP, which is PowerPoint presentation text. Here you can see you can download it as PDF. You can see you can convert it to Google slide. You can see here, you can save it to your Google Drive. Here you can see many ways you can download it here. Now anyone you want to just click on it to save it. Here I will download it as PPTX like this. As you can see, it is converting here. Now I've downloaded it. Now also you can edit the color or regenerate it here by clicking this icon here. You can see here refresh the layout. You can see here add more. You can see here be conscious. You can see here enrich visual. Also you can see here change the theme here. You can also, by clicking here, this will pop up in order for you to change the theme. You can see here, anyone you click, you can then click on confirm to save it. Now I don't want to change anything. Now you can see the link to find the Manus AI tool is in the description section, so use it, try it and tell me how it works. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.